Hi guys! Today's video I'm going to the hardware and to buy the rest of the materials. So, see ya! So, this is the list of the materials that I need to buy for today. So now we are on the way to the hardware. So now I just finished to order the materials and now I'm heading back home. Hi guys, I'm going on the site and I'm going to see what is the progress. Naikon nga to, okay. Magbuhay pa lang. So they're finished or already finished to put the post for the second floor. I'm gonna go up there later. So they already finished it. Yes, and probably this weekend they probably pouring the cement for the house, for the second floor house. So they're still working on this thing. Wow, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I'm looking forward to finish this. So they're carrying the C channel and they already deliver it. So I also buy a epoxy primer because next week they're going to start putting the C channel for the roof. Hi guys, so I'm on the way to the site and actually I just arrived from the city because I bought a wire for the electricity and the welding machine. So this is the welding machine that I buy. It's very heavy.
Labalik ka.
Si City mo na kuan, ipautso man. City ra binang kuan. Sincere ba yun? Kuya? Ato kuya, Andre. Taga kuya Andre. Andre. Lungars. Talagang blandi, blandi.
So they finish four posts for and they already done pouring the cement on that. So they still need to put the like this. So this one is supposed to be a master bedroom, and this the CR of the master bedroom. This CR is this bathroom. It's supposed to be for the guests, or for this room, for the guest room. Yeah, so they already working. They already finished working, pouring the cement of this four post. And this size is the stair going upstairs here. So it's very relaxing here. I'm looking forward to finish this. So this is the view. And this is the view. This is one thing I like this room, because this part supposed to be a lobby, I mean balcony. So this side, this thing here, that's a balcony, and that's the waterfalls there. As you can see, waterfalls. So you can see the waterfalls. There's still a lot of like gravel and sand. The hollow blocks are stuff there.
Mikael. Where's Mikael? Oh, Mikael.
So can you not there?
Ako na nago mo da.
Commander,
Ako.
are raman hatol waris na akin yung pare.
Hi guys, so I'm here on the sites and I'm going to check what's the progress.
Ay manuwa.
So they're making this for the thigh beam, and they're gonna put here. And they're gonna close. So that's it. I'm going upstairs.
Daot po si hapos-hapos ito eh. Bawang gamay na tatuglabaw. Sige ano hapos. Pag-uber sige.
So they're already pouring this cement for the house post. That's me. So he's cutting the GI stair.
Ha?
Kutsing
Sintro.
dito.
Sintro.
Ayaw kutsing nga.
Sintro, gitanaw ko ba? Sintro, naman sintro, sura Pilius Kampanga lagi. Bumi sinakwaon.
So after this, they're gonna make a trusses, and this is the sea channel. So they're gonna make a trusses there. So it's not too hot. And I still need to buy a color roof here. Maybe later this week.
Magnitik level bar.
Tanan gyapon ko.
Balik nga nag apat na yun at mga atbang apat na yun.
Oh, marami na kong kapoy. Okay.